I'd love to be pepper sprayed by you. You're a freak. As long as you feel good wearing them, then screw what anyone else thinks. I think they look good. Just be careful driving home. Yeah, well, luckily I'm very close. I think we got a fish. Oh, bro! Yes! Yes! It's a freaking... Oh, yes! Guys! Yeah! It's a red thingamabob. Mullet thing. It's a red mullet. Ah! Let's go. Let's go. Hey! Honestly, like you see, you know, like the real shook one and Australia's fishing, they both. They both.
Duck goes re.
They list themselves under just chatting. You're like permanently like that. Oh. Oh yeah! Oh, this is way better. Woo! We take you fishing. How pretty is that?
You're on fire.
It's look at that shows.
How much hair's in there?
I've got a freaking crab. I've got a freaking crab, guys. Dude, it's a blue swimmer crab. What the f? Huh? Yeah. Picked up some good old seaweed here, guys. Fucking hell! What the f? No way!
Don't embarrass us with your falcon. Better out than in.
I don't know if I rate it. Jesus Christ! Look, you'll have to buy a ticket and then you get a second one, but judging by what we're seeing here, you're just on your own? And I'm like, yeah, I'm on my own. So they're like, well, there's no point.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Hey, prostate. Sorry, I'm just cleaning the lens a bit. Oh, gee, thanks. Thanks, prostate. In a standing position, place feet on footrests and hold on to handles. Ugh. Moves the feet and the hands backwards and forward in a walking motion. But what about this? Surely this is doing something, right? It's a dill. All right, I'm not managing to get it through the shelf for some fucking reason. Oh my God. Oh, jeez. Whoop. Yes. Yes, squid, let's go. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Where's kiddos for the buns? Oh, good size. Oh, baby, yes. Yes, that is a good size whiting. Oh, yes. That is a big one. Oh, you are coming home with me, that's for sure. Hey! Guy behind looking at you. It's always happening. I'm kind of used to it. I'm like, what? Someone's looking at me? No! Alright. I'm gonna go with this. I'm not good at planks. Ah! God damn it, Bolte. Over here, so I'd go Bolte. Bolte likes to play now. Ah! Just chuck it on my head. Ah! Right. Yes! Ah! Woo! I don't even know what this is, but it's not a blowfish. What the hell is this? The fella that I had was a little further over there. Ah, Jesus Christ.
Windows downstairs, there's 11 viewing windows. We're going to be looking out on all of our beautiful
Damn, those fish stick last night got me.
Jesus beastie.
plastic, really thick acrylic plastic windows. So there's a couple of things there with the windows. It is a soft surface being acrylic.
Oh my god.
Please just be careful.
Oh, yeah! Hell yeah! Oi! Oi! Who bet on random other fish? Who bet on the other fish option? We've got a red mullet here, guys. Yeah, nice.
I've been to Turdsville.
You been here long?
Today, just
It's been
since...
raining, hasn't it?
Oh, I don't know.
Because
didn't
all
notice it was wet.
the deck up there is all wet.
Yeah. There was a...
So Splucy, how's the irritable bowel syndrome coming along?
Thanks,
I
guys.
could smell it.
The key to doing IRL streaming is just embrace the embarrassment. Ow! Okay, there's a bar there. All right. Oh, okay. Black brim, let's go! Woo!
You robot dance live on stream. You're a creep. Oh, seriously, you've just instantly gotten ugly. There you go. Right. If she's robot dancing, don't let us see. Yeah, see that crew? Be warned. Ozfam, don't look. Splu crew, she's just looking for her next victim, okay?